All right, Mr. Parisi here, and we're talking about sequence and series. So arithmetic, just a little review. Arithmetic means you're adding or subtracting to get from one number to the next. So anytime you're looking at a sequence like this, I've got my first term here. My first term is 4. My second term would be 14. My third term would be 24. So how do I get from one term to the next? Well, to get from 4 to 14, that's going to be plus 10. From 14 to 24, it's going to be plus 10. So if I want to get to that fourth term in the sequence, all I have to do is just do one more plus 10, and that's going to get me 34. So for part A, all you have to do is say, hey, it's 34. And you could write this right here that I just did up here. You could do that as your diagram. I have my first term, my second, my third, my fourth, okay? And you could go 4, 14, 24, 34, and it's just plus 10 every time, like I said. Plus 10, plus 10. This is just visually showing you plus 10. Whoops. Plus 10. Visually showing you how you're getting from one term to the next. So the answer for this one, like we said, is that fourth term is 34. So that would be what you're looking for right there. Fourth term is 34, okay? So use what we learned in part A to find the value of a sub 10, which is the 10th term in the series. So if you wanted to, you could just continue. The fifth term, fifth would be 44. Sixth would be 54. We're just adding 10 every time. Seventh would be 64. Eighth would be 74. Ninth is 84, and my 10th. My 10th term is going to be 94. I didn't skip anything there, I hope. I'm just going to double check really quick. From 4, 14, 24, 34, to 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. So that's all the first letter A and B are really asking you there. So your 10th term is going to be 94. And again, we're getting from one term to the next by adding 10 every time. If you got any more questions, please feel free to ask me. Now you're just working on recursive formulas and explicit formulas.